Let me ruin hacking for you. It's definitely not magic, it's not secret code, and it's definitely not... Hacking is all about just finding the blind spots. And once you find those, you'll start seeing hacks almost everywhere. When people hear the word hacker, they're like, man, he's gonna start breaking into this computer. But really, most of these hacks don't even start with a computer at all. They start with people, which is why scam calls actually work really well. Most of the times you get a call from Microsoft saying, hey, it's me, Microsoft. You trust me, right? You have a virus. You should clean it up. And then bang, that's it. Now they didn't hack your computer. They hacked your expectation that you were gonna trust Microsoft. That you were gonna trust them to be like, hey, I'm gonna help you out. But it's not them. And because they hacked your expectation of you believing it was Microsoft, now they expect you to panic, move urgently, do whatever they tell you to do. And here's what most people miss. That exact same trick is how devices get hacked. Because devices have expectations. So do phones, laptops, Wi-Fi routers, smart TVs, cars, alarms. They all expect you to act in a certain way, to do something a certain way. Hacking starts when someone doesn't do the expected way to do something. And once you start to understand the whole blind spot idea, you start noticing it everywhere. A website says you need to log in first, but a hacker, on the other hand, will try to log in a different way, go to the page without logging in, and they somehow just get in because they did it in a way that wasn't expected. So the idea is for hackers to find these blind spots. So what are they actually doing to try to find them? For the most part, they're doing a lot of reconnaissance. They're doing a lot of watching, trying different things out, zooming back in, trying to do the login page, trying to refresh this button here, trying to see if I type this in, what happens. Most of the time, nothing happens. They're testing it, and then one time out of who knows how many, it works. And that's what ends up being the hack. So hacking isn't about breaking in. It's mostly about finding those spots that nobody thought of to secure. They're like, what? I didn't even think to secure that door. I didn't think the hacker was going to go into the side door through the window. So once you start seeing this in the real world, you just can't unsee it. You start finding how to hack everything, even like how to hack into your own car. If you want to spot blind spots before they become real hacks, hit subscribe, follow CyberDucky, and I'll try to get you up and running, up and rolling, and out the door. CyberDucky out.